Christine with Sweet for Cakes, and today we're going to be making a yellow butter cake. So first we're going to start off with 2 cups of cake flour. Go ahead and put that in a separate bowl. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. There we go, just whisk it up like that and it's ready to go. Next we're going to cream together butter and sugar. So you're going to take 2 sticks of butter, it's a total of a cup. I let mine sit out to help soften it. But if yours isn't softened, that's okay, it'll whip right up. And then 1½ cups of sugar. Next up, you're going to separate 8 eggs, and you just want the yolks. Adding in each egg yolk one at a time. All right, now that all egg yolks are mixed in, I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. There's 1 teaspoon and a half. Mix that in. Now I'm going to slowly add in my flour mixture. Just a little bit at a time. Alternate with a little bit of milk. There's going to be a total of 3/4 cup of milk. Just a little bit of milk, and then we're going to alternate flour, milk, flour, milk. I'm just going to mix it to where it's perfectly mixed. I'm not going to over mix it. All right, it's all done. Now it's time to put it in the pans. 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, they look beautiful. As you can see, it's nice and golden. And if you touch the tops, it's firm. So we're good to go. We're gonna let this sit for 15 minutes and then we're gonna wrap it. All right, the cakes are done cooling. Now it's time to wrap them. If you're going to be putting frosting on these and layering them and doing a crumb coat, I definitely recommend wrapping them and freezing for at least an hour. I'm gonna show you how. So you wanna take a small rubber spatula, just lift the edges. Once you go around the circle, you'll feel that it lifts a lot easier. At first, it's pretty sticky. Now you tip it upside down. You want to support with your hand right here because it is going to want to fall out before you're ready. And leave the parchment paper on there. And then I'm just gonna turn it on its side so we get those edges. 9-inch cake is almost the width of the saran wrap, so we wanna make sure that we get that as well so it doesn't dry out in the freezer. For the other one, pop it in the freezer for at least an hour, and then I'm gonna frost them. If you're gonna keep yours in the freezer, I recommend putting it in a freezer bag that seals at the top, and it can stay in the freezer for about a month. All right, that's it for yellow butter cake. Check out my other videos. I'm putting these together for a nice big cake for my grandma's birthday. Her favorite is yellow butter cake with custard cream filling and a chocolate frosting on the top. So be sure to check out the other links in the description box below and check out the recipe in the description box below. Thanks for hanging out with me. My name's Justine with Sweet for Cakes. It was fun today. Bye.